Today I have all these things here because I want to show you how to use these new drawers of acrylic that Amazon just sent me to show you. Came in these bags that are like bubbles, so are protected, and are 4 of them. Came 2 like this with 7 drawers on it, and 2 like this with 4 drawers on it, so you can use it for different things, and you have 20 drawers totally. So these organizers are perfect to save space and put inside all the little things that you use in your home, your work, your bathroom, or something like that. I think that I can use this one for my makeup in my house, or for all the office things that I just need to have in my table work. So I'm gonna use this one to show you. All are made of acrylic, are an excellent quality, are transparent as you can see, and are so easy to put in her place. The mobility is perfect, and you can use it for almost anything. So I have my makeup here, and I'm gonna use this organizer for put it inside to show you. So look, I'm gonna show you more closer. Looks this way. Take the things that you have inside the drawer, is so easy because have this form, so you can make it easier with your finger. And one thing that I love about these drawers is that it's transparent, so I can see what is inside of the drawers, and it's so easy to take the thing that I need. I love that. So I'm gonna use this other for the office things, for to show you all the uses that you can have with these little drawers. So you can have all the things that you need in your office here, and you save space, looks elegant, it's an excellent material, and I highly recommend it for you. See you.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.